Hello everybody, this is Richard Daigle, and I want you to do me a favor. This is one of the most important videos I've done in a long time. So I want you to shut the front door, turn off your cell phone, tell your kids to go into another room, because what I'm about to show you is really going to knock your socks off. It's going to blow your mind. It did me. Uh, a new launch is about to appear on the horizon. Uh, in fact, on November 8th at 9 a.m., the doors will open to SecondSplash.com. And this is an amazing program. Uh, the unique splash page technology will get you passive viral traffic on thousands of traffic exchanges. It also works with email marketing, and also passive viral income at the same time. I mean, this is what we're all looking for. Uh, Increase traffic, increase income, and you get it here with this program. Uh, on here, it goes to a video, okay? And this is the video that for the program. And like it says here, it's the hottest advertising tool of the decade. This changes everything. And what you do is just unmute it, you listen to it. It tells you about these special splash pages that get you viral traffic and how it can increase your income. It's a very, very powerful video. Uh, Once you watch it, you can click here that says click here to continue, and then it'll say enter your first name for a custom experience. And now, this is not signing up. This is just to see what the program's all about. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put my name, Richard, and then I'm going to submit, and then it's going to show me what this program is all about. And there's a lot to it. Get enough traffic to any site to break the internet and get paid to it. And this is a little bit of a comical site too, because there's some jokes in here from the owner that that are pretty funny. But this is what it is: unstoppable traffic. You won't be able to stop it once it starts, even if you want it to. Uh, Passively viral. That's what they're calling this. While other sites throw the term viral marketing around like a first frisbee created in 1957, we take it to a whole new level. Uh, these are specially created splash pages that you can easily make in the system. I mean, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You make these, you have these awesome backgrounds, you can put whatever writing you want it, and the call to action. Also, any referrals you have, their page is going to be here. So what's going to happen is all your referrals will be actually promoting you, both of them. And also at the top of it is the link to the site for them to sign up, and it's interchangeable. Sometimes you're at the top, sometimes you're at the bottom, sometimes the referrals at the top and or at the bottom. So you have a 50% chance of getting a sign up and a sale. And this is the viral aspect of the increased income that you can make. So you got the viral aspect of your traffic increasing, and then you got the viral aspect of your income increasing by using these specially formulated not capture pages, but splash pages. And you can also make them into capture pages too, which is pretty awesome. But you come down here, read it. I mean, it's fun, it's exciting, it has the testimonies. It shows you how you can get paid, how easy it is. It's fast, it's easy, and it's going to be one of the biggest programs that you're going to be seeing promoted and advertised online, not for just a month or two. Uh, the last program that Bruce launched was over 7 years ago, and that was a very, very popular site called Easy Cash for Ads, and that's still going on. I'm still getting paid from that two-up system that he had. But you just continue to read what it has, you're going to be just simply amazed. And to to create your account, you just click there, and it'll tell you to hang tight because we're launching soon. They're launching at 9 a.m. on the 8th of November. So if you're seeing this video before the 8th, you can sign up and be on the notification list. And all you got to do is put your information in. And the minute they launch, you'll be the first to be able to gain access and start making your special pages and getting income. It's really awesome. And now I want to give you like a little sneak preview of what it's like in the back office. Now, no one's privy to this as of yet, but I wanted to give you a little sneak preview of what it looks like. Okay, this is the back office of SecondSplash.com. There's a lot to it here, but it's really awesome. You'll get the hang of it in no time. First, you can edit your profile. You can have your picture, put your name in. The Gravatar email, that's the one where it puts your picture on it, and then you update it. Also, your payout profile. You can pay through a credit card or a debit card, and you can get paid through the international company called Wise. And Bruce always pays. He's been paying for 7 years on his previous program, and this is going to be the same thing. Also, if you have a problem with that payment processor, Bruce is very open to paying you with other processors. All you got to do is contact him. Very friendly guy, great support. He's very, very active in the site. Stats dashboard. I made a few of these splashes already, and they're really, really awesome. And you can make these in a matter of minutes. I mean, that's how easy they are, and they're very high converting. You'll get charts to showing how they're converting, and it's just a great thing. Here it says how all this works, how the splash pages works, how the referral system works, how they have a link booster technology which increases your traffic. They explain the commissions. Everything is detailed. Bonus income you can get, your affiliate links, final word, how to advertise the program. They've got some very awesome banners that you can use. I mean, they just really pop, full of color. They grab attention. And they are pretty awesome. Let's see. Got blog posts. You can just copy and paste this on your blogs to tell about this program. They have capture pages, which are really awesome. Look at these, just in time for Halloween. But people can click that. They can put their information in, and then they get a drip-fed email series with your links in them. So, these are popular to promote this program with. Okay. They have email swipes, different ones. You just copy and paste. They're very powerful. They have hover ads, page peel ads, the splash pages. If you want to use these, especially in traffic exchanges, they're above the fold, so they're very effective, and they do get noticed. So And of course, you can. Let me tell you about little Splash Gordon. You saw him earlier. He's the official mascot of SecondSplash.com. And you'll see him pop up all throughout the site. He gives tips and information. You can ask questions if you get stuck on anything. He has lots of tutorials. So you're going to be seeing him a lot. I really like Splash Gordon. Um, he's got a VIP room where you can go in there and see what other people are doing. The top 5 best performing campaigns for all time, past 2 weeks, all the way to the past year. And you can see which splash pages are converting the best. You can get some ideas on how to make yours. So that is a really awesome thing. Support. Bruce Baxter is one of the best people you can have as far as getting support. If he's awake, you'll usually get a response within a few minutes. He's very active, very smart. He codes all his programs, and he's just a friendly, helpful guy. So the support thing, I really look at that. If I don't get a response from owner or admin within 24 hours, that's a red flag for me. But when you can get it in a few minutes, that is awesome. Okay, you can give your testimony, and that's basically what SecondSplash.com is. This is going to create a tremendous amount of traffic for you. If you're a traffic exchange surfer, it's perfect. It also works with email marketing. If you want to increase your passive viral income, it's perfect for that. I mean, they work together at the same time. Now, Bruce Baxter is a person that I hooked up with about 7 years ago. I know him well. He's an honest, hardworking owner who cares about his members, and you can't go wrong with joining this site. So somewhere under this video, I'm going to have a link for you to go ahead and watch the video. And then go to the long page, and on that long page you will see a place where you can sign up. And if you're signing up again before November 8th, you'll be on the notification list. If you're watching this video after the 8th, then you can go ahead and sign up completely. I would go ahead, get the upgrade, start making your splash pages, start getting tremendous amount of traffic and building your income at the same time. Okay, so this is Richard Daigle. This is my take on SecondSplash.com. I really highly endorse it. I recommend it for every single marketer out there. Okay, I'm signing out, and I thank you for listening.